San Isidro National High School from Anti-Policy. And today we are here to present on our website. But first, you can access this with a QR code. With the QR
Our website is responsible for mobile screens, so feel free to take a scan of our QR code, or you can open your browser and enter codethechange.gt.dc. Now moving to our website, you can see our heading, San Isidro National High School, and our navigation bar that consists of 5 sections of our websites. Our navigation links don't point to a different HTML file, but instead, it points to a different part of our website. Our website is a one-page style website, so that it is easy to navigate and is quick to understand. Next is our school project.
Our school project is titled Test. So let's play the video. So basically, for summarization, the project is the project provided in our school that give us access to Wi-Fi throughout the school. So basically, it's more like internet access, so a lot of students and fellow teachers can access digital resources through online. So by scrolling down, these are the testimonials from our supervisors and students from the Anti-Policy. They use which is a carousel navigation bar, so we can explore and much see in much detailed and much more organized in such a way. So let's play one of the video for our fellow MPO participants, which is powered by AI-powered voice.
Before I stepped onto coding, I never even knew that I would enjoy doing such things. I mean, before I knew about the program, I just signed up on a random paper. Now that I am partaking on the program, it made me experience new things. I discovered new things, and I even got a chance to teach others. Coding isn't just typing out random words. It's about progress and patience. I learned that the difficult way, but here I am still coding and learning. I can testify that coding would surely help you throughout your journey, especially if you're taking a course. The Ion Package program isn't just there to teach you to code, but it teaches you a lot about how things in the media works, and it's something worth it to do. In the end, it's not about just learning It's about what the program made you experience coding, but it taught us to think critically, observe minimal details, stay patient, do efforts, and even teaches us some things in our computer. These factors are the ones we could apply daily, and if we are disciplined and take these actions with us along the way, who knows what good you're doing and how it changes things in your life.
Now next, let's talk about the tools that were used to create our website. First is VS Code. Visual Studio Code or VS Code was used as a text editor for our website. Next is Bootstrap Studio. We use Bootstrap samples as a template for our website. An example is the carousel that was used for our testimonials earlier. Next, because it was free and it was easy to manage. Next is Google Drive. It was used to share and store our code and use as it was used instead of GitHub or Git to handle code because it was easier and doesn't take too much time. Is the programming languages used. The first is HTML or Hypertext Markup Language. It was used as a structure for our website and the main components. Next is CSS or Cascading Style Sheet. It was used to design our website, and the next one would be JavaScript type and make it feel more alive.
So here are the goals. Our goals is to gain a new skill, develop it, and hopefully we'll be able to use it in the future. As they may leave a remarkable experience to us and is going to improve our ability to do our skills and even create something new by the end. So here are the contacts or are the participants of our supervisors, our ICT coordinator, our advisors, and down below is the members or programmer. By clicking the logos here, you will access their social pages. So scroll down. So here are the other members that help provide information that we can put on our website. Next one. And here are the facts. So for the newer coders generation, they will be, if they are able to access our website, they will be able to access and click this but frequently asked questions so they know the answer and provide them much easier in their coding journey.
The last part of our website is the footer. The footer contains our navigational links for our San Isidro National High School FB page, TESDA, DOS, and the official DepEd pages, and other organizations. That is all, and thank you for inviting me.